Okay, so today we're gonna do the kind pickup. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll make a new kind sprite. I'll call it kind. I'll drag it into the scene, and then I'll add component. I'll add circle collider 2D. Okay, then I'll tick the is trigger box. Okay, I'll tick that, and then I'll go back to player, and then I'm gonna add a tag as player. If you don't have it, just press add tag and then press that plus button and then just call it player and then save it. Okay, when you've done that, just come back here and then select the player. Okay, so we're gonna make a new script. We'll just go create C# script. Okay, I'll call mine kind script. Okay, when you've done that, just drag it into the kind. Okay, and then you open it. Okay, in here we need to add a void OnTriggerEnter2D. Okay, and then we need an if statement to trigger. So what we're doing here is we're gonna compare the tags of the kind and the player. When the tag is equals to the player, then we do blah blah blah. Okay, so what we're doing here is we need to do collision dot game object dot tag equals to player. Okay, collision and then game object. Okay, and then we compare the tag to player. Okay, so okay, so here's what we do when they collide. Okay, when they're collided, we do this. Okay, so what we do is, well, what I want it to do is I want the kind to be destroyed first, because you don't want the kind to stay there unless if you want it to. But what I'll do is I want them to destroy the kind, so I'll put destroy and then game object. Okay, that should destroy the kind. And then I also wanted to show that the kind is added. So what I do is, for me, like the simple way to do is you show it in the console. So what you do for that is debug.log, and then you put your message, oh, +1 kind. Okay, so when that's done, everything should be fine. Let's run it. Actually, let's go to our console here, go back to our game, and then when we pick it up, the kind is destroyed, and you can see it here, +1 kind. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. And like, if you want it to be something else, maybe you want it to, like, I don't know, like do something you want them to do, just like change in here, do whatever you want, like here or something, or you could just get rid of that and then continue on. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah.